Cleveland is a great place to live. What you'll see in the next several slides are some of the things that the Cleveland area has to offer. We've been here for more than 10 years personally, and it is a very easy place to have a family, to enjoy cultural activities, and to get outside 4 seasons a year. Cleveland is a mid-sized city situated on Lake Erie in the northeast corner of Ohio. As you can see from the picture here, we have a range of activities on our lakefront, including the Cleveland Browns Stadium, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, a number of activities downtown, and behind the stadium, the start of the east and west side of the flats, where the Cuyahoga River enters into the mainland. Here in this slide, we see one of the more recent triumphs of the city, with LeBron James and the 2016 Cleveland Cavaliers celebrating the NBA championship. Another landmark in the city is the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. They have rotating exhibits, and this is a great place to visit with live music throughout the year. As you can see from the next several slides, Cleveland has become somewhat of an under-the-radar destination for travel. In 2008, we were one of the places you need to visit. I would argue in 2021, we remain a place you need to visit and possibly live. In 2020, we were on the best places to travel and leisure. And as you can see from this narrative, there's a number of great things to do in the city, from cultural activities in Playhouse Square to the Cleveland Symphony Orchestra, to all of our sporting events, and then a great restaurant scene. Here is a picture of the Wade Oval, which is close to our main campus, and this is on the campus of Case Western Reserve University. Playhouse Square is actually one of the larger live theater districts in the United States. And here, with several theaters, there are a number of live performances and an annual Broadway series that comes through town. Here's another testament to the Playhouse Square. I mentioned our sports teams earlier. The Cleveland Indians have been perennial contenders in the American League Central Division now for a number of years. We talked before about the Cleveland Cavaliers. Here's celebrating a title. And we would be remiss if we didn't talk about the Cleveland Browns. If you follow football, you can see that there's a bit of a renaissance potentially happening with the Browns football team. Here's a group of us at one of our journal clubs here at the Browns Stadium with some of our faculty and former residents and fellows. Here's Severance Hall. The Cleveland Symphony Orchestra plays at Severance Hall during the spring, winter, and fall, and then they have a special residence at Blossom Music Center, which is down in the Cuyahoga National Park. That's about a 40-minute drive out of the city and has a wonderful concert series where you can bring food, drinks, and a blanket and sit out under the stars or on a sunny day and listen to the symphony orchestra. We also have some lakefront beaches. Here's an example of Edgewater Park, and then east of the city there are also some beaches in Lake County. This picture here is from the North Chagrin Reservation. One of the jewels of the Cleveland area are the Metro Parks. The Metro Parks, sometimes called the Emerald Necklace, surround the city from east to west and south of the city, and this is dedicated parkland with paved walking and running trails, bridle trails, and lots of opportunities to hike, camp, and to get outside. Here's a pictorial map of the Metro Park system. As you can see, it extends across the whole Metroplex. One of the other things to note about this is that immediately east of the Cuyahoga County Metro Parks are Lake County and Geauga County, which also have a wonderful Metro Park system with lakefront, hiking, and fishing available. Here's a nice pictorial of the Cleveland bucket list. I think if you look online, you'll be able to find a number of things to do over the course of your training here. It's fun to see how many you might be able to check off in a 5-year span. Here's what native Clevelanders think about Cleveland and the surrounding areas. Here's a picture at our graduation lecture a few years ago. And with that, I'll conclude our pictures and discussion about the Cleveland area. As always, if there's questions about where to live, real estate, and other things, please reach out to us, talk to our residents. We have lots of resources available to help people make a transition to the Cleveland area. As you can see, Cleveland is a great place to live. It has activities 4 seasons a year, a very affordable cost of living, and easy commutes to and from work and wherever you'd like to get outside. If you have any questions about living in Cleveland, please let us know.